Okay, guys, good evening. First, welcome to your first moot court. By the way, we have judges. We have the jury at the back. There will be a winner in this case. And what I did not tell you is that after the case, the winner has a prize. Okay, I will give a prize to the winning law office. So try your best. And before we start, who changed the time of the moot court?
Order change the time.
So if all of you change it, why nobody informed me?
I have to say that we already informed you.
Where?
And you thought that orders would be here at 6:30.
Did I? Or I said 5:30?
No.
Are you sure?
Very sure about this order.
Okay. Never mind.
He just gets it.
Ah,
He just gets it.
hearsay. Okay, anyway. Okay, so let's start. Try your best. Today is the presentation of the plaintiff's evidence. You are going to do the direct examination. You're going to do the cross-examination. And next week, it will be the turn of the defendant to present evidence and you cross. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Try your best. Okay?
All rise. The court is now in session. Honorable Judge presiding for civil case number Moot Court 001. The plaintiff is Lee Cavanaugh versus the Cup of Joe Incorporation, the defendant for the case damages.
Appearances from the plaintiff.
Michael, lawyer for the plaintiff, ready, Your Honor. Jack, lawyer for the plaintiff, ready, Your Honor.
Summer, lawyer for the plaintiff, ready, Your Honor. My lawyer for the plaintiff, ready, Your Honor.
Appearance for the defendants.
Alex Smith, lawyer for the defendant, ready, Your Honor.
Donna, lawyer defendant, ready, Your Honor. Lawyer for defendant, ready, Your Honor.
Okay. So since the plaintiff and defendants are both ready, we are now going to hear the plaintiff's evidence. Will you kindly call your first witness? First witness for the plaintiff. Are you ready to call your witness?
Yes.
Call your witness.
Your Honor, may I call Miss Lee Cavanaugh to stand?
Please go there and be sworn in by the clerk of court. Go there.
Please witness, kindly put your left hand on the Constitution and raise your right hand. Can you raise your right hand? Thank you. Do you swear the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I am.
See?
Yes, Your Honor, my name
Not yet. We're going to get the personal information. You can take a seat. Madam Witness, clerk of court, please.
Madam Witness, kindly state your name
My name is Lee Cavanaugh.
and your age.
I am 20 years old.
Can you kindly tell us your occupation or your work?
I work in the Radisson Community Bank.
And can you tell us where you live?
I live in 1212, then Radisson.
Alright. Your Honor, the witness has stated her name and her age, occupation, and her work.
Your witness.
My name is Summer, and I'm presenting the following issue. My plaintiff, Mrs. Lee, was suffered from damage on June 21st, 2010, after buying coffee from Cup of Joe, the defendant. And the damage is a burn caused by the sugar hot coffee. It's so dangerous that affects to our client life in terms of physical as well as the mental and the finance problems. So this is the reason why our client threw the Cup of Joe coffee. So I'm here to show the proof that Cup of Joe has fault.
Any comment from the defense? No comment. Proceed.
Your Honor, we offer the testimony of the witness to prove the following. What happened to Miss Lee what she had suffered from the damage in terms of physical, mental, as well as the finance. Besides that, she will improve the negligence of cup of Joe coffee, what leads to to her damage. So, Miss Lee Cavanos, good evening. Are you the same Miss Lee Cavanos, the plaintiff in this case? So can you tell us what is your job?
I am the head of the law department of the Liability Bank.
And where is your office?
My office is in the city center branch.
Okay, so how long have you been working?
I have been working there for about 6 years.
Okay, so how much is your salary?
I earn about $5,000 per month.
Thank you for your answers. So where were you at? At 15 a.m. On June 21st, 2010?
I was in the car of Juris on the driver to work, and the car started the driver to cover job for publish.
Why were you at Papa Joe?
Because this morning Judy had eat breakfast, so we decided to swap out in cover job for the breakfast.
Who is Rudy?
Judy is my coworker and also my neighbor. As we work in the same office and same hours, so we start to talk with him.
So who is the driver on that day?
Last day was Judy turns to drive.
So what did you do at Papa Joe Coffee?
I ordered my coffee a large regular one with cream and sugar.
Okay, so are the cream and sugar separate or they are put into the coffee already?
No, they are separate. They are in
Oh, so how did you order them?
I sit in the car and I tell the cashier what I want.
So who gave them to you?
The cashier gave my coffee to Judy and we had a
So what happened after you received the coffee?
After I had my coffee, we pulled out the coffee line and put it away. However, suddenly there must be a hum or drop or something else between the right way and the street when it passed and the lid came off.
So what happened after the lid came off?
When the lid came off and the coffee spilled on my body, my wrist, my thigh, and my stomach and my thigh.
And then what did you do?
The first thing I had to do is I screamed because it's too hot. And then I grabbed the napkin in the drawer to wipe all the coffee in my body. And then I dropped out of the car and told my parents.
Oh, so what happened next?
I never really tried to help me, but I cannot remember what I did. But after that, I was in the ambulance to the hospital, and this is the beginning of long day treatment in the hospital.
Okay, so can you give more details about the treatment?
The treatment is the hospital and the medicine that we have and the nurse. They touch my arms, make me dry, move, and horrible pain. And they cut my clothes to prepare for the recovery procedure.
So how did you feel?
I cannot express what precisely what I feel this time, but it was like I have to suffer the burn over and over again because of the burn skin and the health focus.
I understand. Can you continue?
Yes, of course.
So, how after, yeah. So was there any other treatment?
Yes, of course, that's not all treatment. I had to, Dr. Khan said me that I had to suffer the surgery to wrap the screw from my leg to my hand, and that's not all. After more than a week, he called me and said that, "Hey, your injury become worse because Jury Medical. The first treatment is it takes around 9 days in the hospital, and all the operations months.
So what happened to you when you have to stay a long time in the hospital?
Of course, because I have to stay in the hospital, I cannot go to work. My nurse had to leave, and I lost my weight partially June 2010 and on the Saturday of July.
So how much?
I said it before that now my salary was about 5,000 a month, so I lost about 6,600 dollars.
Do you have any evidence to prove your losses?
Bring your folder there. Bring all your folder there.
I have my payslip for the June and July.
You say mark it. So what do you want, counsel? We pray.
We pay.
We pray that what? What do you want with that evidence?
This will prove the losses.
I know, but what do you want now? You want it to be marked,
Yeah,
Your Honor?
your
May we pray that the evidence be marked as exhibit
Your Honor may become the exhibit A to
B. Clerk of Court, can you kindly mark this as exhibit A, B, C, and D and show it to the defense?
May I continue?
Continue.
Okay, so Miss Lee, how much all the treatment cost?
About 33,200.
Do you have a receipt?
Of course, I keep all the receipt, medical receipt.
Your Honor, may I just consider it as an exhibit?
What's that? Exhibit D.
That's E,
D. So this is E,
F,
F, G,
H.
and H. The witness is producing
It's on the same island as two
effort, so you only have two. Okay, so exhibit D and E. Can you show the clerk of court which of this you want to be marked and show to the defense? So the witness is producing medical receipts showing expenses. So which one do you want to be marked? Which one?
So,
Those are marked already?
But if you send me the phone copies of the
I don't understand what you're talking about.
and then the copies, they are the same. It's the copies of the evidence. Of the receipt.
So you only have one copy. I mean, all of these are the same.
Yes.
So you just mark one.
Yes.
Is enough.
please remark again.
So remark again, that's only exhibit A, B, C, D, and A, B, C, D on one copy.
A and B. It's just A.
A, B only?
I'm sorry. A will be the payslip, and B will be the medical receipt.
Okay. So can you kindly mark that one, clerk of court. I think they're showing you which one to mark.
Your Honor, all the four copies are received.
I think so. So which one do you mark? Show, organize your evidence, plaintiff. Which one do you want to be marked and to show to the defense? You're making us confused. Which one do you want to be marked? Okay.
Your Honor,
Yeah. Show now to the defense. Proceed.
Okay.
counsel leading the witness.
What was your last question?
My question is how the damage affect to her life.
She said
It's leading the question.
Reform your question. Reform your question. Sustain. Change your question. If you want to ask the same, change it.
So let's back to what you have said. Up to now, you didn't regain all the functions. So what happened to you?
Because it hurts me every time when I have to say I will say no. I
Say
think
louder. Say louder, please.
maybe what I have to suffer. Yeah, I am the right-hand person, so I cannot play. Firstly, I cannot play tennis at the level I used to. Then guitar is the truly creative was for me, and I never play guitar. And although I just amateur, but we always have the show with the pen at the localized spot on the weekend. And we also had some out-of-town show last year. Because of this burn, I now cannot do this. And besides the scars are very the the scar on my thighs prevent me from wearing any shorts or even wear. That's not the really matter. It affects obviously to my job because I cannot hide the scar on my wrist and my hand. So I had to face my customer every day on the desk. And when they come to meet me, and they cannot concentrate on our conversation, it makes me feel awkward and uncomfortable. Some people look at me like I'm a monster, and they didn't tell me directly that they try some way to find another tailor to work with. It hurt me so much.
So I understand the weakness. So if you can convert all of your damage you have suffered into an amount of money, so how much it can be?
I think one
Objection, Your Honor.
Ground.
Call for speculation.
Allowed for damages. That is allowed for damages.
It's not a game.
I think $1 million is not enough.
Okay, so you are the plaintiff in this case, so why did you sue the couple?
Of course, I have to sue them. There, I think maybe 3 main reasons to sue them. Firstly, I think the construction of the cup is not sufficient. And this cup is so flimsy. I have to bring the cover roll to the cart. And you can see that why I just have to say it's easy to change the shape. And it's easy to make the indicator because this make the shape of the cup change. And besides this, the temperature of the coffee is too hot, so unreasonable and unfit to
Objection, Your Honor.
Ground.
Everything Winnie says is a conclusion. She gave the opinion about this.
Jesus, Your Honor,
Yes. You want to argue with the counsel for the defense?
she just explain the reason.
But she gave it
But I
opinion.
am the
No file
constable of
evidence.
this coffee.
Madam Witness, let your counsel argue for you. Let
Not you
let
as a
argue with
witness.
let argue. You should be the one to argue with the other counsel.
You
No, you should be the one to argue, not the
You
witness.
have to argue with me, not with her.
But her is, it's not her thought. It's just the evidence you bring to this.
No,
So what did you say? What do you mean?
because everything she said, according to opinions. She says, she thinks, without any evidence, study.
This is the evidence.
I don't think
No, no,
she's
no, don't argue with that.
She just say that there are 3 reasons, and she said.
The evidence, you should show that the evidence, not hers.
Okay, let me address the jury. You have a good ground, you have a good reason. I will address the jury. The jury will only consider her testimony as far as the reasons why she is filing the complaint. But the jury will not accept your testimony as far as the quality, because the witness is not presented as an expert witness, correct? So she's not an expert witness, but her testimony as to why she filed the complaint will be accepted by the jury, but as to the quality of the cup, the jury will disregard that because she's not presented as an expert witness.
Yes.
Is that fair?
Right.
Okay, continue. By the way, question. You have the cup on your witness's hand. Are you marking it in evidence?
Yes,
Do you want to mark it in evidence?
So, Your Honor, may I mark it as the exhibit C?
Is it C?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kindly mark it as exhibit C and hand it over to the defense after marking for them to examine. Proceed.
Okay, so let's continue. So, either and the reasons why you show the cup of Joe?
Yes. Because I mentioned before about the temperature of the coffee, and I was surprised why I get bored because I can imagine that such a high temperature can burn me like this. I remember that I didn't have anything about the caution of this temperature, and also at the time I didn't see any caution on anything. And even when there is, now I see the caution line in the top, but all can realize that this line is very small and it is not strong, impressive, and not sufficient to make the customer concentrate on this.
Is there anything else?
Objection, Your Honor. Another question.
But the answer was no, so choose this.
So, you said before that how Joe was negligent. So, what do you mean? What did you mean?
Objection.
What's the ground?
Conclusion.
No basis. She did not yet say negligent. Don't talk to your counsel.
They trying to give the signal.
Correct, that's why I'm trying to stop it.
Okay, so Ms. Lee, if you have a chance to require a court to penalize the defendant, how much do you want?
1 million euros.
That's all. We are done with our
You're done?
witness.
Defense, are you ready to cross?
Yes, Your Honor.
Proceed.
So, sir, your name is Lee Kavanaugh, right? And so, in your affidavit, you state that you work in the department head, right? You work as a department head in the city central branch, right?
And head,
Or you just say yes or no? You work in the city central branch, right? And you work as a head of department, right?
yes.
And so,
Objection, Your Honor.
Ground.
We don't have the affidavit of the witness.
But it was submitted. Proceed. Overruled.
okay. So, Mr. Kavanaugh, on
No, I am Mrs. Stop it, please!
Okay, proceed. Control yourself. Go. Proceed.
okay. So, Mrs. Kavanaugh, So on June 21, 2010, and you said that you went to work with your co-worker Jody Bartlett, right?
Yes.
As it's a Miami and it's a Bartlett, Jody Bartlett, she drove the car, right? Jody Bartlett drove the car.
Yes.
And Jody Bartlett, she suggests to have a breakfast, right?
She suggested to have a breakfast.
Suggests to have a breakfast together, you and her, right?
Objection, Your Honor.
Ground.
Assuming fact not in evidence.
That's why he's asking. He's asking to know if it is true or not. Allowed. Overruled. Continue.
Yes.
Okay. So you and Jody Bartlett go to the Cup of Joe drive-through to have a breakfast, right? So you decide to order a cup of coffee, right?
Yes.
And you decide regular large, a cup of coffee, right? So this means you know it because you order it because you know that coffee in the cup of joe is good, right?
Objection,
Objection,
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor.
Ground.
Assuming facts not in
Assumption.
evidence.
Overruled. The defense is allowed to attack the integrity of your client. Proceed. You ordered coffee at the Cup of Joe because you knew that they had a good coffee.
Okay? And just mean it's not the first time you ordered a cup of coffee from the Cup of Joe, right?
No.
No? Because you said that, but first, you said that you know the Cup of Joe has a good coffee, right?
I have problem.
No, please say yes or no.
Yes.
Okay? And so, did you agree with me that you drank the coffee from the Cup of Joe before?
No.
No?
Yeah.
Oh. And you ordered, and you said that you ordered large, regular coffee. So that means you have to drink it before. You know the cup of coffee.
No, no, no.
Very well. And so, you order hot coffee, right?
Yeah.
And the cashier delivered to you a hot coffee.
No.
The cashier delivered to Jody the cup of coffee, right? As Miss Jody, she handed the coffee to you.
Yes.
Okay, so including the cream and sugar, right? Miss Jody gives the cream and sugar to you, right? Mhm. So this means that you order, you know that the coffee is very good, right?
As an answer. She already answered that.
They have to call the objection, not you.
But I am noting it. The judge is allowed to note that.
Okay.
Wake up, plaintiff. Continue.
She told me
Continue.
to
Continue. Continue.
I think she's a consul, not a...
Yes, I agree.
Continue.
So the cashier covered Joe, and when you receive the cup of coffee, you receive it your right hand. I just ask you a yes no question. You say yes or no.
No.
No? It says to me you receive it your left hand. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. And so when you receive the cup of coffee, did you check it? Did you check the cup of coffee?
No.
No? You just receive it.
No.
Okay? And so after I hand you the cup of coffee, you usually roll the car out of Cup of Joe, right? And when she's driving, you still hold the cup of coffee, right? the coffee, right? Sorry. And you agree with me that if you do not have it tight, the coffee tight, you might drop it, right?
No.
And so this means that you don't care about the dropping or not.
No. What?
Objection, Your Honor.
What's the...
Argumentative.
No, allowed.
That means sustain or overrule.
Sustain. You can continue. The question is, you don't agree that you have to hold the coffee tight.
Do you agree with me? Okay. So, John,
Continue.
can I repeat it? Can I repeat the question?
Allowed. Go.
Yes. Just me. Do you agree with me that if you do not hold the cup of coffee tight, you might drop it?
No.
No?
I couldn't agree.
No, just like yes or no. I do not ask you a direct question. Okay, and just me. By what you say, just me. You have to. You don't care about holding the coffee. You might drop it wherever you want, right?
No.
No? Mm-hmm. And so, do you always drink the coffee?
Yes.
Yes. And do you know when to drink the coffee to have it the best taste?
I don't know.
Objection, Your Honor. Beige.
What's your question again?
I asked for that. When do you know exactly to have to drink the coffee to have the best taste?
Sustain. Change your question.
So, do you think that the coffee might be consumed when it's hot, right?
Repeat your question.
Did you agree with me that the coffee is a coffee but consumed when it's hot?
Must be consumed. when
Must
it
be
is hot.
consumed when it's hot to have the best taste.
Objection, Your Honor. Irrelevant.
It's relevant.
It's relevant.
Sustain.
Beige.
Sustain. Sorry, overruled. Proceed.
You might not have fun. Sorry.
Proceed. That's allowed. That's relevant.
So,
So answer, Madam Witness. You haven't answered yet. The question is, do you agree that the coffee should be consumed while it's hot? So you're trying to tell the court that you have to let the coffee be cold before you drink it? Is that what you want to say? So you wait until the coffee becomes cold.
Not cold, not really cold, but it's not hot as the temperature when I use it.
Proceed.
so as you state in your affidavit that when the jury drive the car outside the Cup of Joe drive-through and the car is fouled, right? So that you agree with me that you and Jody Bartlett don't expect that the car has to be fouled, right?
Yes.
And that means you very surprised that the car fouled.
Yeah.
And you said that you said before that you might careless to hold the cup of coffee, and you might drop it, right?
No.
No? You said before.
No.
It's okay, that's in the record. No worry.
So, Mr. Kavanaugh, did you aware that you might get burned by the coffee you ordered? You might get burned.
Are you aware that you might get burned?
Yes.
Yes. And you know the risk of from the coffee is hot, right?
Yes.
And so you know that you will be hurt if the coffee has been dropped, right?
Objection, Your Honor. Leading.
No, that's cross. Allowed.
Yes.
Overruled.
Your answer. And you still hold it while the car is moving, right? Okay. Your Honor, that's all.
Any redirect? Thank you. Proceed. Go ahead.
Madam Venus, I will ask you one question. Where do you usually buy the coffee? Where do you usually buy the coffee?
I have now two coffee all day. The first one is in my home, and the second I always forget not to until to get to work to have my second cup, and that's what I do. I mean, so that's all.
Any recourse on that question?
Can we have another redirect question, Your Honor?
That's why I'm asking. Do you still have any redirect? Okay, proceed.
Please.
Wait, let them finish with the
Can
redirect.
I have another last question?
Yeah, after the redirect.
No, not a record.
No more, no more, because I already, you should have been alert on that. Go.
Madam Venus, do you have any idea before the incident that just from a regular cup of coffee you can get a third degree burn?
No,
So that was the one.
Any recourse on two questions? No.
Redirect.
Okay, you have redirect.
Madam Venus, what do you expect from coffee?
it smells tasty.
Objection, Your Honor.
Ground.
Call for speculation. She had to get the answer.
Sustained, but wrong. Objection. Ground. It's vague.
Fair?
Yes. But sustained. Change your question.
Why you said that you think that the cup of Joe is good coffee?
I heard it from my friends. Maybe my friends they said me before that. Oh, it's good. You have to try it.
You said that you are aware about the hurt you can suffer from the hot coffee, but what is the degree of the hurt you think that the hot coffee can cause to you?
I don't know. I have no knowledge about what is the degree of burn. I just think that if I had get burn from this coffee, I thought it's not as serious as the injury I have suffered now.
I'm not really the business.
Any recourse? Please.
You say that you receive the coffee from Juris by your left hand, right?
Can you repeat the question? I can hear clearly.
She mentioned that she received the cup of coffee by left hand.
You said
Right.
you received the coffee by left hand.
So, did you change the hand after that? No. So you still hold the cup of coffee by your left hand? Yes. And your, do you have your injury is on your right hand? Right? Yes. So you no. It's not. You have an injury in your right hand. Yes. It's near. It's
claim, but wrong ground. The ground is it was not covered by the redirect question. It's not within the issue raised in the redirect.
No, I mean that she had no disease.
Yeah, but they did not ask about that in the redirect.
She said that she don't know whether the coffee is hot like that.
I know, but you can only recross on things that they touch during redirect. They only have 2 questions, so your recross should be limited to those 2 questions. No more?
So I want to redirect, recross.
Recross. No, proceed.
And so you state that in the redirect that cup of joe is very good coffee, right?
Yes.
And so you order a large regular with cream and sugar, right?
Ask and answer.
Let's see where he's going with this. I will allow it. If not, it's not related, we'll take it out.
So do you know the words being regular?
Yes.
Yes. So is that means that you had to drink it before, use the coffee from the cup of joe before, right?
Objection, Your Honor. Argumentative.
Argumentative, and it was already asked and answered. Rephrase your question.
So that's to be all.
Okay, thank you. You are excused, Madam Witness. Thank you. Plaintiff, do you still have another witness for your case?
Your Honor, may I call the Taylor Vicker to the witness stand?
Next witness for the plaintiff, can you please approach the witness stand and be sworn in by the clerk of court?
Madam Witness, kindly put your left hand on the Constitution and kindly raise your right hand. Do you swear nothing but the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, I am.
Thank you very much.
Your Honor,
Not yet, not yet.
Your Honor, the witness bring a document with her.
She's allowed. She's allowed because she is, I think, being presented as an expert witness.
So maybe it's some affidavit or affidavit.
It doesn't matter. It's allowed in court. You can bring your affidavit.
Madam
Yes.
Witness. Madam Witness, kindly state your name, please.
My name is Taylor Vickers.
I'm sorry.
My name is Taylor Vickers.
Taylor Vicker.
Okay, thank you very much. And your age?
I'm 53.
53. And where do you live?
I live in Brampton, Oregon.
And your work?
I am a food processing supervisor.
Your Honor, the witness provided the information needed for the court.
Thank you. Your witness,
May I proceed, Your Honor?
proceed.
Madam Witness,
Sorry, you have to offer the testimony.
Your Honor, we offer the testimony of the witness to prove the following matter. The cup of joe coffee is they have the high temperature. The temperature is hazardous to the customer, and because of that, they have a strict liability of the cost to the our client. And before the incident of our client, there's many the other incident because of the hot coffee of the cup of joe.
Is that it?
Yes.
Any comment from the defense? I have a question with the defense. Do you admit that this witness is an expert witness?
No.
So they don't admit. So proceed.
Your Honor, I can prove.
Yeah, of course, because they don't admit you have to.
Madam Witness, what is your job?
Currently, I 15 years, and I also has experience in the fire prevention for more than 14 years.
You said, the fire prevention. Can you tell us more detail about your experience in the fire prevention?
The last 15 years, I was health and safety inspectors in California. My areas tasks were fire prevention, and in the course of that job, which I have for more than 14 years, I participate in a variety of training and educational programs, and I also certificate by the California Association of Fire Safety and National Institute for Burn Injury Prevention. After completing the association education program, I currently serve as a burn injury task force, and I'm also a member of the communities outreach committees of the Right to Medical Center.
So can you show us your certificates?
Yes, I have two certificates.
Your Honor, may I mark the evidence as the exhibits?
We are now exhibit.
We invent exhibit 0.
Kindly mark this as exhibit D and E respectively and show it to the defense.
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
Your Honor, with the witness certificates, may the witness can be the expert witness.
Proceed.
So your job is in the county, China County Department of Health. What is your actual job in the department?
My job is by the targeting and inspections of all retail food establishments in China County, and such as Capital.
So you also supervise the capital establishment.
Yes.
As a supervisor, what is your opinion about the capital coffee?
Objection, Your Honor. Call for conclusion. Opinion.
An expert witness is allowed to give
She
opinion.
is expert.
So overruled.
Although the cultures only score grades in every inspection, it's often, but I don't happy. I am not happy with it because coffee in culture is not safe, and the temperatures in coffee is too hot, too high to consumption, and dangerous for customers and inquiry to the practical.
You said the temperature is high. So why do you say that the temperature is too high?
Because according to the it calls to hot chart the temperatures as so I measure it in an analysis component, and the temperatures in the three matrix coffees is 89 degree F, 94 degree F, and 201 degree F, and according to the episode to hot liquid chart, when the temperatures in 120 degree F, still require 5 minutes for the third degree burn occurs, but when it's increased that in 140 degree F, it takes only 5 seconds. It takes only 5 seconds for the serious quality risk occurs.
So can you show us the result of your measurement?
Yes, they do.
Your Honor, may I mark the evidence as exhibit?
Plaintiff is producing a Chinook Country Health Department complaint inspection report. This is allowed to be marked as exhibit F. Show it to the defense, sir. Proceed.
Madam Minister, so in the inspect in the report, what is your conclusion?
The conclusion is the temperatures of the coffee source as a rapid controls in office for consumption.
So what would you recommend?
I recommend the company has to reduce the temperature and has
Thanks. As an expert of fire prevention, what is the suitable temperature you think the coffee must be?
it's my knowledge the suitable temperature for consumed is around 25 degrees F.
What is your basis?
It's better in the hot it also the hot will trust of this national institute for 1 degrees.
Your Honor, may I mark the evidence as a exhibit?
Plaintiff produce an estimated time and temperature causing full thickness burn in adults. It says here published by the National Institute for